Do your household items or wooden furniture need a little TLC? Are they looking dull and lifeless and in need of some revitalization? Rhoose Remedies 100% natural and pure beeswax wood polish and treatment conditions and restores your wood back to its natural beauty, giving the perfect finish. If you're anything like me, then you'll really appreciate natural and non-toxic products that not only help your wooden items to look great, but also that protect you and your family from harsh chemicals that may negatively impact your health.
Our wood polish is child and pet friendly and kitchen safe, so you can use this on everything wooden, from your wooden chopping boards, living room furniture, countertops, chairs and more. It can be used on oak, pine, beech, hardwoods and any other natural or treated wood. It enhances the natural beauty of the wood by restoring and conditioning deep into the grain, and then provides it with a natural, long-lasting, protecting finish that will help your wood to keep its natural luster for months to come. Our 100% natural beeswax is sourced only from British Beekeepers Association bee farms and hand-poured in the UK, making it the perfect wood treatment for you, but most importantly, kind to our bees. Our beeswax wood polish comes in 3 different sizes: the 30-gram starter tin, the 100-gram standard tin, and our larger 200-gram tin for those bigger areas. We also have options with our added organic essential oils too, so you can choose between natural, which is a faint aroma of honey from the beeswax itself, lavender, orange, or cedarwood essential oils.
Read our reviews and you'll see just how much people love our wood polish and treatment. And they've used it not only to condition and maintain the quality of the items that they love, but also to restore and bring back life to the old wooden items that they were thinking about throwing away. So please don't give up on your wooden items just yet. Choose Rhoose Remedies 100% pure beeswax wood polish and treatment for your items today.